In this video, we are looking at dividing decimals. There are 4 steps to the process of dividing decimals in long division form. First, you move the decimal in the divisor to the far right after the last digit. You move the decimal in the dividend the same number of digits to the right. And you write the decimal point in the answer directly above the new position of the decimal in the dividend. Do this before you start dividing. It'll make things easier on you. And finally, you divide as you would whole numbers. So let's take a look at this problem here, dividing 15.27 by 3.2. So I set this up. In here is my dividend, 15.27, and here is my divisor, 3.2. And I take the decimal in the divisor and I move it to the end, so it becomes 32 instead of 3.2. And I take the decimal in the dividend and move that the same number of places, so it's 152.7 rather than 15.27. And then I put the decimal right here. And now I want to see how many times 32 goes into 152. Well, 32 times 5 is 160, so it goes in 4 times. 4 times 32 is going to be 128. Subtract, as always. Got a 4, borrow a 1. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So we're good there. And we bring down the 7. 32 goes into 247 how many times? 2 times 1 to 28 is 256. So it has to go in 7 times. And let's find out what 7 times 32 is. That's 224. Subtract 3, 2. Bring down a 0, and I can keep going here. We're not told when to stop. 32 goes into 230, that's 7 times again. Subtract. Yeah. We get 6, bring down another 0. 32 goes into 60 once. 1 times 32 is 32. That's going to be a difference of 28. So 280. 32 goes into 280. That'll be 8 times. Okay, so we're left with 240. 32 goes into 240. Isn't this exciting? 32 goes into 240 7 times. 7 times 32 is again 224, which is a difference of 16. And here we go, because we know that 32 times 32 times 5 is 160. So here we go. There is our solution. We would probably wind up rounding that off, but just for the process, there we go. It is 4.771875, or 4 and 771,875 millionths.